我諗可以講 Reggie Miller 嘅一樣嘢就係佢可以喺人哋頭頂隨時掹起嘅呢個能力，同埋佢咧喺三分波都係射緊 jump shot 嘅。咁我睇翻 Google 咧，佢係有2.01米咁高嘅。咁就算而家 NBA 啲人嘅打法，就算佢係2米，其實佢都未必會咁樣跳起 jump shot。但係有本錢咁樣 jump shot。譬如話LaMelo Ball 咁樣先啦，佢都高大㗎。但係其實佢都係做緊一啲唔使點跳，唔會跳到好高嘅射波，純粹就係好地板咁樣，好似用手就可以射到粒波出去。咁有人話邊個年代嘅射波靚啲？咁呢個好主觀嘅，我覺得兩個年代都有佢靚嘅地方嘅。咁我咧就中意，我真係覺得兩種都正。jump shot 有一種比較暴力嘅感覺，尤其是喺中距離。你係用一個好唔完美嘅起跳，但係都對到框射到波，甚至乎隻腳踢晒先至入到波，嗰種感覺好正。而家呢種射波呢個年代咧，就係遠射，哇，技術含量好高，唔知點解咁遠都入到嘅感覺。咁我覺得兩個年代都好正。
Hawks work a little clock down to a minute and a half. Trey step back three. Oh, he hit it.
Miller against Sprewell. Steps back and delivers.